Yo, what's up guys? Trader Mayne here. Wanted to get this altcoin video out. So been talking about this for a little while. I think the timing could not be better, to be honest with you, just kind of with the state of the market and seeing, today a lot of altcoins drop 20, 30% in a single day. Shit, if the market doesn't find support soon, maybe another, massive, kind of red day coming across the board. The reason for this kind of video and what I think is going to become a video series is to just kind of give you guys some, first off, unbiased kind of TA first view on alts. Two, to give you guys some tips and tricks that I've accumulated over the past 8 years I've been in these markets, and this is my third market cycle that I've been in terms of how to manage not just altcoin trading, but investing as well. So you can start making decisions and plans and just better execute your strategy when it comes to alts. I do think a lot of the coverage that altcoins get on Twitter, on YouTube, is very biased to long only kind of situations. Everything is going up. This altcoin is going to moon. This altcoin is the future of finance, whatever it is. And I get it. It gets a ton of engagement. Altcoins generally have very strong communities, and usually that is because they have bag holders. So any sort of bullish post, instantly gets, a ton of interaction and stuff. And I totally get it. I've been there. In 2013, I rode altcoins all the way up to the top, all the way back down to near zero, and many of them never returned. And I think there is some rude awakenings that some people are going to be going through. If we are in fact going into a bear market, we have to be honest with ourselves. Things are not looking good right now. People are going to be surprised at just how far some of these coins can drop and how long they can stay down. I posted an example about it on Twitter today, where just because something is off 90% from all-time high doesn't mean it's cheap, and it doesn't mean from its current price it can't drop another 90%. So you'd be amazed at how far down and for how long altcoins can downtrend, and many of them will never recover. Some of them will, maybe yours will, but it doesn't change the fact that you can treat altcoin investing like trading in a sense, and still use the chart to find optimal times to buy, to take profit, when to actually start dollar cost averaging, how to do it. Because the last thing you want to do is start dollar cost averaging into an altcoin that's got another 50 or 60% of downside coming. And I understand there's people who will say, Mayne, I don't care what the day-to-day price fluctuations are of this altcoin. I'm in it for the long term. My coin is the future. Great, maybe it is. But me personally, and I think a lot of other people out there, I'm going to do whatever I can to avoid holding something through massive amounts of drawdown in terms of percentage decrease, as well as just massive amounts of time, underwater, potentially holding some coin through a bear market with the hopes that it does get a pump in the next bull run and, I'm able to get out above water. Obviously, I'm not a financial advisor, so everything I'm sharing is just my opinion. I could be completely wrong, but I do think we need some more honest, not hopium-filled, just kind of objective analysis around altcoins, because I don't think there is a lot of that on Twitter outside of a few people who share that kind of information. I think most people, it is like, hey, this thing can only go up. Don't worry, keep buying the dip. Well, what happens if the dip keeps on dipping? I'm not saying we're going in a bear market. Maybe we are, but I think I can give you guys some tips just based on my experience on how to manage and change and fit your trading to the market environment that we're in, whether it is a bull market where you can throw a dart at a board and basically everything is pumping, a bear market, which we might be going into, or a ranging market, which is what we've kind of been in for the last month. So something I'd love to do, I think the way that would probably make the most sense is to kind of make a series of it. No matter what I do, what I say about altcoins, what my post is even about. I could make a post about a dog or what I had for dinner. Inevitably, comments are going to be like, check out this coin. I invested in this coin. I'm down horrendously. What do you think about this coin? So I think this will be a good way for me to answer some of those questions without making my Sunday streams 4 hours long, which they tend to be because I'm trying to keep up with everyone's altcoins. I'll delineate the two. I'll have my Sunday streams, focus on Bitcoin and ETH, and then I'll do these videos. Maybe it's 1 or 2 a week. Maybe it's 3 a week. I don't know. Where I will make a post. You guys leave some charts, and I will give you my unbiased opinion about the chart some short-term potential plays, some long-term potential plays, but it's only going to be about the charts. Nothing kind of discussing the fundamentals. I don't care what the coin does or what you think it does. I'm just going to look at the chart. If it looks bullish, I'm going to tell you. If it looks bearish, I'm going to tell you. And I'm going to give you some strategies that you can, at the end of the day, implement yourself in your own charts to, you know, make some decisions on these coins. So it's something I'd love to do. I have been trying to kind of ramp up my YouTube channel a little bit, posting a lot more in there for you guys, investing some money in it. As you can see, I bought this new camera, I bought the green screen, I built an entire gaming PC. I mean, I got the soundboard, which we all love, right? We all love the soundboard. I bought this shirt. I love it. So we've got to keep improving, and I think a new video series like this would do really well. And of course, if it's something you want to see, that's what I want to hear at the end of the day. So if this is something you'd be into, let me know. Leave some comments below. I probably will seek out some sort of sponsorship for the video. It is a bear market. Ramen is expensive. If I do end up getting the video sponsored, it'll be no different than my Bybit streams that I do on Sunday. I'll let you know who the sponsor is. But otherwise, the focus is unbiased, altcoin TA, an opportunity for you to get your charts looked at, because I get just inundated with so many. I can only do so much. I think this would be a great way for me to kind of, you know, give back to you guys, and hopefully, you know, give you some actionable information about a coin you might be in or looking to get in. Again, everything is my opinion, so take that for what you will. Yeah, so if you want to see this, let me know. Leave a comment below, and we'll go from there. Thanks, guys.